Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to cover body mass and integers. We are told that without using a calculator, evaluate -8 plus -5 multiplied by -8 minus -6, then divided by -3 plus -8 divided by 2 multiplied by 4. So what we're going to have is that I'll begin with the numerator. We got a -8 plus -5 multiplied by -8 minus a -6. So what we should start with is dealing with the brackets first. According to Bodmas, brackets should be operated first. Therefore, I'm going to have a -8. Then to open these brackets, I need to multiply a plus and a negative, and I'll get a negative multiplied by a -8, then minus a negative, that becomes a +6. So in the next step now, because we don't have off, I'll go to division, which is also not there. Then I go to multiplication. Therefore, I'm going to multiply -5 and -8. So I love -8. Then -5 multiplied by -8 gives us a +40. Then I add 6. So I'm going to have -8 plus 40 plus 6. Therefore, -8 plus 40 becomes +32 plus 6 +38. Therefore, the numerator is 38. Let us go to the denominator. Then we will combine the solutions. Again, we follow Bodmas in the denominator, whereby we have -3 plus -8 divided by, that is divided by 2 multiplied by 4. So what we should have first, we have -3 plus, this is a -8 divided by 2. So we can carry out the division first, or even open the bracket here to have a -8 divided by 2, then multiplied by 4. Therefore, when -8 is divided by 2, it becomes a -4. Therefore, -3, -4 multiplied by 4. -4 multiplied by 4 becomes -16. Then -16, and we already have a -3, it will become a -19. Therefore, we have a -3, -19. So we can now combine our numerator and denominator to give us 38 out of -19. And this will give us a -2 as the final answer. So that is the solution of the problem here, even without a calculator. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share.